Oats are the best food you can eat. They are high in fiber, gluten-free and whole grain, making them a powerful and important source of vitamins and minerals. Studies on antioxidants have shown that oatmeal is very good for your health, weight loss, controlling blood sugar, and keeping your heart healthy. If you eat oatmeal every day, it's good for 1. Oats will help you lose weight. Weight loss porridge is a tasty way to start the day. And oatmeal helps you feel full because you eat less food, and you'll lose weight. Gluten, which is found in oatmeal, slows down how fast your stomach can empty. 2. Your blood is empty of food. Bring down your blood pressure. The pressure will go down because oats are full of antioxidants. 3. You will have a smaller impact on heart disease. Studies have looked at the risk of heart disease, shown that oats beta-glucan fiber is good for you, both total and LDL cholesterol levels. 4. Cut down on blood sugar. The blood sugar level will drop. Blood sugar levels can be lowered with oats, especially in overweight people or type 2 diabetes. Recipe: 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of rolled oats or milk, and then a little bit of salt. Put these things in a pot and bring it to a boil, then turn down the heat to a simmer. Cook the oats by stirring them every so often, until soft. To make it taste a little bit better, add Greek yogurt, cinnamon, or nuts. I really appreciate you watching this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.